Hello everyone, I will show you how to animate characters from your pictures into fun videos like this. So you can see how the character is moving in a funny way and just using a picture. So it's funny. Okay, first just go to the page bigle.ai and then choose the first option, the web option. Then just sign up with your mail. Okay, I'm signed in, and you can see it asks you to upload a character, then a motion video. So I will just upload the picture, the character. You can see the picture on here. And then I will upload the motion, so the video. The video with a person like dancing, doing anything. And just wait a moment. Okay, video is uploaded. You can see there it's a video with motion. And okay, then you can choose the background, green background, like my previous examples. In this case, I will put just white background. Okay, and the model, the only one, B2. Then just generate. And as you can see, it's working, it's generating. So we have to wait until it is finished. Okay, it's done. You can see here, just play it, and there it is. You can see the character is moving according to the motion video, and it's really well done. So it's working and funny as well. So you can convert any character from your pictures to this. That's it.